Tired of predictable Brawl Stars matches? Let's break the game and force unconventional pairings. It will be quick. First, head over to the friendly game room. Don't worry, this works even if you're playing solo. This is the starting point for the bug. Now, pay close attention. Click on the game mode selection, and you will see various modes to choose from. Quickly flick back and forth between game modes at least 5 times. Speed is key here. Tap, tap, tap like you're trying to win a tapping contest. Next, choose your brawler, and this is also important. Immediately after choosing your brawler, tap the ready button. Do it as quickly as possible. Now, this is where the magic happens. Right before the game starts, spam the invite friends button like there is no tomorrow. If you did it right, you might experience a slightly longer loading screen than usual. This is a good sign. The game is trying to figure out what you just did. And there you have it, a match with incredibly mismatched players. Enjoy the chaos, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.